All right, so out here in the shop, um, I got lucky and I actually found some of these when I was walking through the Home Depot store the other day. I was looking at some that they had at Lowe's. They were actually more, and I didn't like the cover. I wanted to get something that was, how can you say, kind of a car thing. They had some Mopar ones. I did want to have 3 to set over here by my workbench, which is kind of a hopeful dream at one time here, once we get everything out of the way. But I was able to grab the last 3 that they had at my local Home Depot. So let's get this thing out of the box and check it out. Here's pretty much what it looks like on the front. Garage stool, vinyl seat, tells you how tall it is. It's an official Mopar licensed product, made for plastic color in California, from China. So here we go. Let's see exactly what we get. Alright, so our uprights, a ring, I guess, for the bottom and the seat. Let's check this cover out. Looks pretty good. They give us some bolts here. I'm gonna get these cut off of here. It's definitely gonna be an upgrade over this old thing. Look, it's deteriorated to the point where it's ready to go. Alright, looks like they give you a bag here with all the bolts and some really quick instructions. Guess what, guys? They're all pictures. So, pretty simple. Set your 2 up, slide your ring down over, bolt that together, 4 bolts up through. Completed seat. Okay. Looks like they already have the nuts on the ones for the lower. 4 of those, 4 of these. Let's get this thing together. Well, if you look at these, one side is flat, the other side is rounded. So you want those 2 flat sides together. Simple enough, right? One side will slide down easier than the other. So the nuts are a 10 millimeter. screw heads are going to be a standard number 2 Phillips. All right. Let's look at this. I don't know, I'm going to blame that on my floor. Alright. Let's get this top installed. Look, under penalty of law, this tag is only supposed to be removed by the consumer. Oh, they're pretty good too. Probably should have unscrewed that. But everything's molded in here. Pretty much it should just go right down on. I mean, you can't get any easier than this. Little Phillips head screwdriver. We'll have the screws underneath here. Last one. Okay, well, right there's what the bottom of that looks like. And here's what we really want to see. What does the top look like? Man, that thing's, look at that. Fast as that thing jumped out of my hand that first time, you'd think it had turbo boost. All right. Anyway, right there. that Mopar emblem on the top of this stool. It looks pretty darn good. I'm going to try to re-loosen these and see if it makes it evened out now that I actually have the top on to kind of hold the sidebars in place, and see if it's just not... So I think since I'm moving it around so many different places, it's not terrible, but I'm going to see if I can't get that out, because one place, like right here, is really bad. And that's, like I said, I'd put it on the fact of the floor. You know, the people that did this floor didn't exactly do the best job, and it's one of those things. You know, you get what you pay for. So, with that being said, really nice stool. Let's try this thing out. It is significantly higher than my other one, so how's that look? Now I got some weight on it. It's not too bad, you know. It's a shame these ones don't spin. They don't pivot, but I think these will be perfect stools to sit over here at the workbench. And if there's a couple people here, I have 2 other ones, so I'll have 3. So me and some friends, we can sit down and, I don't know, talk over some car parts on our Mopar stools. And there's one more good Christmas find. So, all right, with that, we'll talk to you guys later. We'll get some more videos up here. Hopefully you like some of the stuff. And like I said in the last video, and the ones till the end of the year, Merry Christmas.